G'day everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing this winch controller from YA Racing. Looks to be fairly new on the market, and I hope to see this work exactly how I want, because the original winch controller that I've put in my crawler seems to do uncommanded stuff. So there's your part number. Let's get a bit closer there. And yeah, about 30 bucks Australian. Got delivered pretty quickly, so we'll give it a shot. Now, for those that have been on my channel, which hasn't been very many, this is the Banggood carbon fibre aluminium crawler, which I sort of built during the lockdowns here in Sydney. And so I thought, why not, just keep improving it as time goes on. Latest thing I put in is the Hobbywing Fusion 1800 kV, which I think has completely transformed this crawler. I've also put Proline Hyrax Predators on with 1.9s, which I think are really pretty. I put a bit of silicone oil on there to aid putting these bead locks on, because they can be a bit tricky sometimes. So yeah, so we'll open up this thing and have a look at how this winch runs. One of the reasons why I've chosen to do the YA Racing, well, they make really good products. I've also, the instruction manual is actually quite complete. Gives you pretty much everything you need to know. Now what I've decided to do, instead of the 3-position switch, I've decided to use my rotary knob here, because you can basically control in and out and the speed of the winch, which is really handy. It's like its own speed controller for the winch. So we'll get ahead and put this thing in and see how we go. Well, excuse my janky wiring. I'm just testing it at the moment. One problem is with this controller is the type of plug they put in. It's actually a female. It really should have been a male. It would have been installation a lot easier, so I'll have to change the plugs on it. Now what I've done, I've turned the sensitivity for the end level adjustment, so basically when it winds up so it doesn't kill your motor, to disable. And also, instead of using a 3-position switch, I'm using channel 5, which is just a knob basically. So this way, it's like its own speed controller for your winch. So you can actually, and let me just go the right way. So you can wind your winch back up, just get it in frame, and then you can slow it down so it's nice and slow to the point where it stows nicely, and then turn it off. That's fantastic. I'd highly recommend this. Let me just get the wiring all sorted and I'll tidy it all up and we'll test it a bit more. Here you go. All I did was cut the plug off, extend the wires and put a male plug on. So I'll just get to tidying up that bird's nest and I'll get back to you. So yeah, so let's give it a shot and see if it works. So I'll just see if I can get that. So I'll give it a bit of a tug, because sometimes, see if we can go the right way. Oh, wrong way. Try it again. So as you can, with the rotary knob, you can actually slow it right down. And back in. Now watch. You slow it right down. And now you can just go ahead and stow it. So there you go. I'd highly recommend this this winch controller. I've only just seen it come out, so I thought I'd give it a shot. That's a part number, YA-0528. They're about 30 bucks Australian. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you want to see more or learn more. I'm happy to help. All right, thanks guys. Have a good day.